Good afternoon. Steve from All-Star Case Breaks doing 19 Chronicles baseball for Tom. It's going to be hard to top that last box, but Tom says this one's on me, so I better try, right? Lorenzo Kane out of 50. Joey Votto out of 75. Mike Trout, Phoenix. Jorge Polanco. That is the Prestige. That's right. Come on, Vlad. Let's go. Jimenez. Rizzo out of 99. Jake Bowers, Spectra. Tukey. Reserve Material, 19 of 99. Alonso rookie. Isaac Galloway. Cracked. Man, all of a sudden we're getting cracked ice. Nice. 21 of 23. Otani out of 199. Man, I always deliver for Tom. What can I say? Panini Contenders, season ticket auto, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. What do you mean, yikes? Congrats, man. Believe, Tom, you gotta believe, man. Believe in Steve. There's your Vlad. Kershaw, Kluber. Congrats, man, on the Vlad.